Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to day 3. Last night, right before we went to bed, we had some truck roll up on us, and he was telling us, he was like, yeah, no, the bite's not great, but I know a few spots because he's a guide. We're gonna go and try out those spots and see what happens, but that'll be later in the evening, and hopefully he doesn't screw us over. We'll get on the boat and get after it. See you guys on the water.
Got it. All right, we made the first spot of the day. Yeah, we're gonna try this for a little bit, try for smallie, and then we got a little tip from a local. He says just drag night crawlers across the bottom for walleye, basically, which we've never really done that, but we're gonna give it a shot. So yeah. No, something snagged on something. A stick.
Stick.
All right, so I made first spot. Haven't really caught anything. So we are going to try a bottom bouncer with a walleye rig. Never done this before, but I guess this is the only thing they do up here for walleye. They just troll with these, and that's it. That's all they do. So we are going to try it as we'll probably come out of this bay a little bit. We'll peruse it on the shoreline because I guess the guy said they're up shallower. Whatever. And then we'll get out to the bay, and then we'll, I guess we'll get to the edge, and then we'll see what the hell else we're gonna do. Haven't caught anything yet, so it's been 2 hours. So, yeah, we're gonna give this a shot. Which one? I don't know, Dante. What is that? Oh, it's a catfish. All right. First fish of the day, absolute behemoth.
Absolute monster.
That is a channel cat.
Oh yeah.
Probably the smallest channel cat I've ever seen in my life.
Yeah, I did not hit very hard, but I
Oh really? I would have never guessed. Dante's got a fish.
You gotta be kidding me.
Another catfish.
What?
Oh,
there he goes.
boom. Big one.
Why?
Another catfish.
Why? I don't. We're not even going for this.
Back in the drink. That's hilarious, dude. There we go. This one?
Oh, it's a nice one.
Easy, easy. Dante's hooked up. Big old cat.
Probably.
It's not pulling very hard. It might be a catfish. Yep. Yeah. Catfish.
Oh my god.
It's not bad. Catfish, baby.
It definitely wasn't boat flipping that, that's for sure.
Big catfish, guys.
Oh, yeah. Big catfish guy. There it is. Not bad. Probably at least like 1.5 feet.
I mean, that's an eater.
I mean,
That's an. I don't want to skin it.
I'd rather not skin it either. No. So we're gonna go release him back. It's kind of strange because you know we're catching catfish on walleye rigs. So yeah, it's good.
There we go. There we go. Yeah. Oh, that's probably a cat.
Probably a cat. You want the net?
Oh, two.
Two?
Two. No, we're good. Two.
Oh my God, doubled up.
2!
Shoot, we might as well be catfish fishermen.
Boom. 2 catfish. That's crazy. That's never happened.
Cute.
A lot of catfish. Doubled up on one line. It's first.
Yeah, no, I've never seen that.
1, 2. Now I'm slimy again. Nice. We're gonna keep fishing. Not for catfish. What?
Came off.
Oh. Oh, Dante. What was it? Catfish?
Probably.
No catfish on the board for the Catman. Meow.
Not fighting much though.
Dante's got a fish on.
Maybe.
Did you hit a big rock?
No, it definitely was fighting.
Catfish again?
Probably. Yeah.
Need the net? Yay! Another catfish. I gotta put the camera down. Is it?
Yeah, it is. I want to go home. I don't like it here.
All right, so we think we found what the guy was talking about. We're down bad for fish right now, so hopefully he was right about that, because he's saying if you just drag a jig or a worm, you should get quite a few walleye. Let's get to fishing and hopefully get some, because our dinner tomorrow night pretty much depends on it. So let's get going.
Oh, it's probably a catfish.
Catfish?
I don't know. You need the net?
No.
Catfish? Catfish? Catfish. Another one for the catfish boys.
All right, that's what was that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6, that's 6
Catfish number 6. We are not trying to catch catfish. I swear to God. Swear. I mean, he's an eater. He's a decent eater. Again, I don't want to skin this at all. I don't, because they're a pain. So we're gonna put them back. Dick. All right.
All right, well, we've been out here for too long. Calvin just caught another catfish in a completely different part of the lake. This is like the U.S.'s largest reservoir, and we've been fishing it for 6 hours, 7 hours, and I've got nothing but catfish. I'm feeling a little bit distraught. Calvin's playing solitaire, and I'm just sitting down. I'm just laying down.
Fishing.
He's fishing. He has a bobber in the water, but regardless, not going too well. While he's kind of kicking our ass.
So we went out for, what time is it? 8:18. A little over 14 hours. And we successfully caught 6 catfish. 6 catfish. I'm not upset. I'm not disappointed. I'm just annoyed. Because we really freaking tried. No, I'm not being negative. I'm just saying it didn't go well. So yeah, tomorrow we're gonna get up. Maybe. I'm not sure yet. I'm not sure what the plan is. I'm honestly not sure. So we're gonna see what happens.
Oh, I'm trying this. Excited.
Well, after a lot of talking and discussion, what? Wait.
Wasn't really much talking. It was we're leaving.
Yeah. We had no power. whatsoever. So it just wasn't, we didn't have any batteries. This is our last battery for the GoPro. Our phones were completely dead at this point. We had no way of charging them other than the truck.
Yeah, we didn't catch shit.
We didn't catch anything really, other than catfish, which we weren't even going for. And it's disappointing, really it is, that we had to leave early, but sometimes you gotta just cut your losses, know when to stop. That's gonna be it, so.